English for everyone. Hope you're doing okay, guys. If you like my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'm here for you. I really am. Because I'm not getting rich doing YouTube videos unless you help me. We're working on some more forms of a word today, and we're using the word power. Okay? And whenever you see me looking away, I have my computer and my big monitor right here to my left, and so my memory's not so good. Remember, I'm getting old, and so I have to look at things. So don't ever think anything about it. But we're going to talk about the word power and different ways to use power and the forms of power. Alright, so let's take a look here. Our first sentence is he used his power to intimidate his opponents. Now, power can come in many forms. You have physical power, even mental power, right? Or his power of influence, for example. He used his power to intimidate his opponents. And this could be a sports scenario that we're talking about. But he's using his power. Number two, she felt powerless to stop the actions of her boss. Powerless. Alright, and that just means she felt like she had no ability to affect the thoughts or actions of her boss. She felt powerless. She did not know what to do. She had nothing she could do or say. Powerless. The new law will give him more power over the company. The new law will give him more power over the company. Alright? So if you have power over something, you've been granted the power, or you earned the power, whatever it is, now you have the ability to use your power over these people below you. In this case, it's for the company. That individual possesses a powerful presence. That individual possesses a powerful presence. And that means he or she, that individual, looks powerful. The body language is powerful. Whatever it is, people look up to this person, or they're in some kind of awe of the power coming out of this person. Some people just look like that. Some people their body language is like that. We shouldn't underestimate the power of education. Now, that's a good sentence, and it's true. When you're sitting in school, you don't realize what you're learning someday could become a powerful part of your life. The things you learn today can pop up tomorrow, or sometime in the future, and you go, wow. See, in this case, we shouldn't underestimate the power of education. And like when you're in college, if you're studying to be a lawyer or a doctor, this education will become powerful. He was empowered by the decision of the court. All right, now this is a word that you've probably not ran across yet. If you have been empowered, and it's E-M-P-O-W-E-R-E-D, empowered, that means you have been given a power. If somebody empowers you, they have given you a power. In this case, it was the court. So this man went to court for something, and they empowered him with something. So here's the next sentence. They were forced into submission by the power of the army. Alright, so if you're forced into submission, that means you're forced to yield to the will of something else. In this case, is the power of the army. So the army wielded so much power that it made other people's submit, to give up. Got it? And let's see, powerlessly. Also, you got words like, if we use powerful, like the wet dog had a powerful smell. What does that mean? If it's a powerful smell, it means it's strong, right? Because power means strength. And if you say, oh, that old wet dog had a powerful smell, that means the dog smelled bad. So anyhow, a little bit about using the word power. Practice sentences like this. Practice the forms of the word, and it'll get your grammar strong, and you'll sound more and more like a real English speaker. So that's kind of it for today. Hope it was a powerful lesson for you. Okay? And we'll see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.